back into awesome DIY. So I was already starting on the new grass project here, and I kind of obviously stopped, not midway, I just barely started, but I figured, you know what, might as well upload it, right? This is a home improvement section. I always like to kind of show what I do around my house. So, and this is definitely a project at my house that I'm doing. So this side of the grass right here, when we bought the house, was in pretty good shape. This side, not so great. Got worse over time because the sprinkler system never got set up. Actually, I redid the sprinkler system and I was gonna upload it and make a video, but I had no idea what I was doing, and it took me like way too long, and it's not even perfect. Like, I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me see if I can kind of, but you can see where it's kind of wet right there. The sprinkler system just keeps leaking. It's not super bad. I mean, definitely have sprinklers now instead of trying to come out here every single day and try to water it. And when I'm at work, you know, I probably water it like once a day, and during the summertime, that's just not happening. It's gonna die, and it did. It's pretty much dead. It may look green from afar. It's kind of one of those things where it's like far from, or good from far, but far from good. So, and that's exactly what it is. A lot of that green is just those weeds. They're like really thick, long, little like branch-like weeds. So I don't like it. It doesn't look like this kind of grass. It doesn't even really grow, really. It just kind of grows down instead of up because it's weeds, right? So anyway, so I'm going to show you guys how I plan on trying to put in some sod. Let me take a video of the sod right now and show you what I got. Got a good deal on it, so I figure it's enough to kind of cover this area. If not, at least I can cover most of the bad area and make it look decent enough, and then hopefully start over and make it look decent. So, all right, guys, let me show you the sod. All right, so this is the sod I got right here. It's a tall fescue or something like that, I guess. Guy had a pallet left over. Got like 53 pieces, I think he said. Well, 52 and a half, because one of my dogs try to eat it right now. So anyways, so this is what I'm going to try to lay down. It's kind of been sitting out for more than a day, which they say is not good. So that's why I'm going to try to crank it out today. It's been sitting out here for about a day and a half. Good thing it's not summertime, or this would have been really dead. Hi, buddies. How you guys doing? So anyways, this is what I'm going to install. So let's get into it.
counting on a truck.